Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating an old Delco radio out of, he didn't specify which car it came out of, so it's an old Delco AM radio. You guys probably know more than I do which car this goes in, but at any rate, this customer, this is from Greg in Fenton, Missouri, the very town I moved out of on the way to Arizona, so I know right where his street is. And that's pretty cool to get a job from an ex-neighbor. So Greg has requested the internal FM conversion with Bluetooth wired to the original connectors, so he doesn't get that big increase in output power. And since this was an AM radio, it only had one speaker output, and that's the plug that goes into the radio into his car wiring will get him that one speaker. And I went ahead and added since FM can be stereo if you wanted to, I went ahead and added another wire for as another speaker output in case he wants to use it. I don't know how he'll if he wants to just get an extra speaker and hook it up, then he'll be able to. And so therefore we will be demonstrating the virtual left-right balance control. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get. Let's turn it on.
As a matter of fact, if you have the most perverse,
okay, we'll check our balance,
books in
virtual
the kids'
balance
libraries,
control.
And if you ask to remove them, well,
balance adjust.
Okay, all the way left, say something.
This is also part of the
all
battle
the way
of
right,
the line.
left, say something.
See, the Democrats are changing the argument. Oh, this is about censorship.
Okay, so we'll center him.
And the Republic
balance set. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Because they won't allow
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. You know the Bluetooth's working properly. Let's go to FM, which we do on this radio by turning it off, then right back on within about a half a second. And I have all 5 stations preset to FM stations in my area for a quick test. So off, on. Now we're on FM.
Stay with Caleb and
Gonzaga, they move.
alright, 'cause I love
Okay, well that was pretty easy. Okay, let's check the dial-light. There's no provision for. Well, there's a provision for it because we got this hole in the top here, but it did not come with the dial-light, and there's nothing on the connector that says dial-light. So I'm going to have to wire this so that it comes on with the radio. If it has one, I'll have to check. But of course, if it does, I'll put it in, certainly. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you can reach me for service by visiting the website in the description below. And please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because almost all your questions, if not all of them, will be answered by the work order. And that keeps me from spending 15 minutes away from the bench to answer the same questions over and over and over from each new customer, which I absolutely will not do anymore. I'm just too busy for that, guys. If you want quality workmanship, respect my need to stay off the phone. It's that simple. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Greg, for your business all the way from where I used to live, and we'll see you guys next time.